Hey bugs, hopefully you can see what's going on in my bucket. We have some oils here. Attempting to make some cold process liquid soap. We got Shania in the background feverishly mixing some glycerin and sodium hydroxide. It's a pain in the butt, so I needed a second hand. So we'll be doing cold process and hot process today. So what the, first of all me, just stay in the background and mix your mix. So we have our it's not sodium, potassium hydroxide. Pour this in here. Still tad warm, and so are my oils, but it's fine. I was told it's best to emulsify and then let it sit, emulsify and then let it sit, so that's how we're going to work this, and we'll see how long it takes us to get the trace. And because this is cold process, I'm going to leave it to set for a few days. We're going to come back and watch it over time to see the different stages that it goes through. And then I'm going to let it sit after that for it to cure on its own, the paste rather, and then we'll make a solution from there. I'll probably do a 2-to-1 ratio. And if you like my recipe, hold on, I'll get it for you. I don't want to burn out my stick blender, so I'll tell you what the recipe is. And this is just a small batch, just a little over a pound.
I'm putting more of the stuff in there.
Yeah, did it all dissolve?
Yeah.
You
well,
sure?
No, it's a piece right there at the bottom.
Recipe. So obviously you can do your own, but my recipe consists of castor oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. We have 20% castor, 30% coconut, and 50% olive oil. And then I'm using a 32% weight, water weight to oil weight, well, percentage to oil weight. And that's, for me, it's 32%. You can do 38 if you like. It's up to how you want your soap to be, or your soap paste rather. So this is just my preference. This is how I do my bar soaps as well. So we're going to continue to blend this and see what we get. Shania, what time is it? Let's see how long it takes us to get the trace with this.
10:45.
10:45. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. If that's dissolving, then I might as well. I'll use that in the one in the crock pot. So I guess I'll make 2. So I'll do my laundry soap version today as well. Heck yeah. She just asked me if I was making laundry soap. Somebody needs to tell her, girl.
All right, now, Mama Bug.
No, you didn't. This is just an experiment, so as I get more comfortable with either the cold process method or the hot process method of making liquid soap, then we'll make more than just a little over a pound. But those percentages, you can however many pounds or ounces it is or grams, however it is that you calculate your oils and your water and lye and stuff, you can choose to do in your own way. So it can be 2 pounds, 3 pounds, 4 pounds. It's up to you. But this is just a recipe that I chose. These are the oils that I have and that I usually work with. So there you go. And this is water. I chose not to do the glycerin. It was taking a little bit long. I don't have a pot to mix it in. So we're doing the double boiler method. And that'll go into the crock pot once everything is fully dissolved. I have my oils already melting in there. Huh?
I need to drink more water.
With the pot?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to pause you guys to get Shania some more water. Because, you know, her hand broken. She can't stop doing what she's doing to get more water. Don't worry about it, okay? I'm being teased over here. Okay, here we go. More blending, mixing. It feels like it's starting to come along. Let's see. Tilt my... For those of you that like listening to an immersion blender, here's some soap ASMR. What is it? ASMR?
Yeah.
ASMR, whatever, for soap makers. Oh yeah, Shania is getting thicker. It's getting thick. Excuse me. Are you texting and mixing?
Yep. Multitasking.
Lord.
I'm a mama.
Shout out to the mamas that's mixing live and texting at the same time. Stop trying to steal my soap. Nope.
I'm sure Real would love to turn pink.
You can't have your baby in the tub turning pink. Oh my word. Alright, so we're going to give this and you guys a little rest. And my hand.
Yeah, because I'm over here burning my fingers.
Oh, don't listen to her, guys. She's lying. She's not burning anything. A little bit of separation going on over here.
You better count your days.
So, we'll give this a break.
Is that the Kit Kat commercial?
It's been, what, it's been like 3-4 minutes?
6 minutes.
It's been 6 minutes. And we're still emulsifying. It's going to take quite some time because of the amount of olive oil that's in here. So I'm going to give myself and you guys a break, and I'll be back. Tell her to stop talking to Kobe like that before we all have to fight her. What? How you mess up frosting?
Because I put too much sugar in it. And not enough fucking,
Stop cussing. We recording.
Oh, shit, my bad.
And then she cusses again. Oh my goodness, why this thing on my eyelid like that?
Because you worry about me cursing.
Shut up! Alright, anyway. So So I came back around 10:54 to finish mixing. We had some separation and it's separating again, but as you can see, it's getting a little bit thick. So we got some type of trace. Calm down. So we're gonna keep mixing. It's a little bit apple saucy, guys. What?
Why is only half of the wall tied?
Half of what wall?
This right here.
Because that's how my mother wanted it. And plus she ain't, she was gonna, oh, she did do that over there. It's just supposed to match the side where the sink is.
Backsplash. Okay.
Yep.
Check out Big Mama Bug.
Oh my God. I'm telling. You know she watched my videos, right? Telling on you.
Oh, she gonna get me cursing and shit?
And you, oh my goodness.
I'm sorry.
Language, young lady.
You know what? We need to discuss the topics of conversation before you put me.
Alright, so what you want to talk about?
Let's talk about it.
Girl! Oh my goodness.
This is what happens when you invite your friend for a project over the US.
That is so racist. Technically, you wasn't even supposed to be helping me with soap. You was just coming over here to hang out. But since I messed up on my glycerin,
Now
I did need you to help me. No, I don't need you to fix it, okay? You know what? We gonna ignore her, guys. So we got everything mixed in here. I'm gonna give it another good buzz. And it's good and thick, not like Shania.
Just like the good part.
Calm down. Anyway, scrape this off. It's in this bucket for safe keeping and safety. I'm gonna get all this goodness out of here, and I'll come back and show you how this looks, guys, in either a couple of hours or the next day. We have some more things that we have to make, which is our other liquid soap. This is just the cold process one.
So when you gonna make this laundry soap? Because I need to try this.
I'm gonna make it today if you ever get that glycerin right. So this is at Trace. And
what does that mean?
It just simply means this, when you can trail your soap better. So you see how thick it is? And then I can put this on top
like
and leave it.
applesauce.
Yeah, so now it's at the applesauce stage.
I like applesauce.
Well, you can't eat this.
I like all types of applesauce.
So we're going to leave this in the bucket. I'm going to cover it up. And I'll be back in another day to show you our progress on this. Or a few hours. We'll see. But bye for now.